Hi, I'm Gilbert-Jamison, your Team Huddle guru, and in this segment, we're focusing on the business impact of creating a positive work environment. But before we jump into our main topic, let me take a moment to tell you about the Daily Team Huddle Resource Guide. If you like the topics that I typically cover in these micro-learning videos, that's where I get most of the information. And if you are interested in learning more about the resource guide, I'll place a link in the comment section below. Now, when you think about the business impact of creating a positive work environment, there are 4 key areas. The first area of impact is employee morale and engagement. You see, when we feel valued, respected, and that we are key contributors to the success of the organization, we are more willing and eager to create a positive work environment. And studies show that when employees feel that they are a part of the organization, they are actually 11 times more likely to be engaged. The second area of impact is workplace safety. Why? Well, in a positive work environment, employees take pride and joy in their job and won't do anything that might cause injury or harm to another. In fact, our studies also show that in positive work environments, workplace accidents in industries are usually down by 50%. The third area of impact is productivity. You see, in a positive work environment, employees consistently identify ways to do their job faster, more efficiently, to elevate the customer experience. And in turn, customers are more likely to spend more and recommend our products and services to others. And finally, fourth is profitability, because when everyone works together, they get more done effectively, efficiently, and accurately. So productivity and profitability can also increase by up to 50%. So in closing, my question to you is, what are other things that might be impacted by a positive work environment? I look forward to seeing and hearing your comments.